Welcome back to Shop Nineosex, the YouTube's most favorite show. So, as you know, the other side of my shop really hasn't been dealt with yet, but now the time has come to take care of that side. So my plan for it is to make something like a little booth where I'm gonna have my sofa, a little bit of like kitchen situation, make it all nice and dust free, and on the top of that booth I'm gonna have a storage loft. I think this is gonna be the third loft we've done on this channel. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first step is done. We have all of the beams installed in place. They're all attached to the wall with the metal brackets. Everything is very straight and with level. The joint of two beams looks like this. I think it's a very secure connection because both of them are prying upon this guy here, and they're also screwed in together with a corner bracket like this. So this area here is going to be a clean room. I want to separate it with a wall here and there, have a nice window here and a door there. So in the clean room, I don't want this cracked and ugly and dusty floor. So I'm gonna make a very simple subfloor here. Hey, can you hold this for me? Yeah? Cheers, bud. And that's how I made my subfloor. That's probably the easiest way you can do it. I've used a pack of angle brackets like this that cost me like 10 bucks, and the wood I already had, and it is very sturdy and strong. I really like it. Of course the beams are a little bit too thin, but I'm not gonna have pretty much any load here beside myself. If I was doing it in some other place, I think I would use something like this. This is like 50 by 75. This works perfectly, but I just had a ton of these and they work just fine for me. Yeah, and check this out. Look at this, boy. Look at this. It is also very important that the beams are not directly lying on the floor, because if they do, they will absorb the moisture from the concrete and it's gonna get nasty. And it's very important to have a gap underneath the beams so the air can circulate, and it will prevent mold and stuff like this. I don't have the insulation material for the floor with me today, so I can't really finish it up. So I'm gonna begin making the wall that's right behind me. So the wall behind me is now complete. And I think the next step is gonna be the wall that's next to it. One thing with this wall is that there is going to be a window in the middle, and I found this really nice piece of glass. It's double layer and stuff, and I found it in a garbage. But for me, it's a treasure. And before I start to frame the wall, I need to actually make the frame for the window, so I'm gonna know all the sizes and that. I'm gonna make it real quick and simple. I know for now it looks a little bit weird, but I have to make it like this to hide all the pipes and the radiator that doesn't even work, but I'm not allowed to remove it, so it stays there. And this big, you know, aisle thing, I think I'm gonna have some shelves there and it's gonna look real nice. So the outside is all covered with OSB boards, have a little gap on the bottom, it's for the air to circulate. I have a little wooden corner here just to smooth out this corner because it was quite rough. All the wires are in place, they are gonna go into this electrical box here. Inside is all done as well. It's actually quite nice here, feels like a little bunker and I can watch the stuff blow up there. So yeah, the ceiling slash storage loft is all down as well. So now I think I'm gonna work on a door. I found another window like this in the same pile of trash and I'm gonna use it to make the door. I'm gonna have two power inlets, one here and one right there, and a light switch here. Also, I need to sand off and straighten the window aisles, and I will be golden. I have also added another beam here because one alone was flexing too much and I didn't like it. And I've added another support bar here to make it a little bit stronger. Oh boy, this was so much work, holy cow. But I'm so stoked to finally finish it, like almost finish it, but not quite. Still quite a few things to get done, but it's like fully operational now. You know, before this part of my shop was just a huge pile of crap, and now I can effectively use all of this space. I store my logjam up on the top. I still need to figure out the ladder system, but that's some other time. Let me show you the inside real quick. I still need to get my electrician to come and like sort all of the wires, put them into the electrical box. For now, I just plug it into the wall. Nice little handle. We'll come inside, and we have the main thing. I have my little IKEA sofa here, a little work table, a couple of wall sockets, a couple of lights, like one here, and another big light here. I don't really use it, I really like this little soft light from the shelves. All the walls are insulated, so hopefully during the winter it's gonna be a nice little warm room. I do need to make a quick IKEA run and buy some more stuff to fill the room. I really like the statue my friend gave me. Looks really good on the shelf. Ooh, very nice. I like it a lot. I think it's very important for the shop to have a little room like this where you can, you know, set up your computer or manage your camera stuff, and there is no much dust around. No dust at all, actually. But it is also nice to have a little relaxed moment when you're working on something. I've used as much leftover materials from other builds as I could to make this little booth. Some stuff I just found in garbage, like 2 of these really nice windows, and a lot of the wood actually came from garbage too. So we are also helping the planet here, boy. Thank you all for supporting the channel. I see a lot of new subscribers every day. I hope you all liking the videos. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to check out my Patreon. And I think that's it, boy. Thanks. Thank you. Bye.